Welcome back to Profitora Hub, the place where big money ideas turn into real strategies. Today we are diving into a powerful topic that many people dream about but very few truly understand. We are talking about the top 5 ways to create your first $100 million. This is not about quick tricks or overnight success. This is about building massive value, thinking long-term, and playing at a completely different level. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Profitora Hub, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below which strategy you believe has the most potential. Your support helps us bring more powerful business content that can completely change your financial future. Number 1. Build a scalable business system. If you want to make your first $100 million, you cannot think small. You cannot trade your time for money forever. The first and most powerful path is building a scalable business system. This means creating a product or service that can be sold to thousands or even millions of people without increasing your effort at the same level. Think about software companies, online platforms, or global brands. Once the system is built, it can serve customers again and again. The key idea here is leverage. Instead of working for one client at a time, you build something that works for you 24 hours a day. Digital products, subscription models, franchises, and automated e-commerce stores are great examples. The secret is solving a big problem. The bigger the problem you solve, the more people are willing to pay. Focus on markets that are large and growing. Health, finance, education, technology, and lifestyle are strong industries. Build a strong team, invest in marketing, and constantly improve your product. Reaching $100 million requires scale. A business making $10 million per year can reach $100 million in 10 years. A business making $25 million per year can reach it much faster. Scale is the engine. Systems are the foundation. Without systems, growth stops when you stop. Number 2. Own equity in high-growth companies. Another powerful way to create $100 million is through equity. Instead of only earning salary or profit, you own a percentage of something that grows massively in value. Equity is how many founders, early employees, and investors become extremely wealthy. When you own shares in a fast-growing company, your wealth increases as the company expands. For example, imagine owning even 5% of a company that eventually becomes worth $2 billion. That 5% becomes $100 million. You can build your own startup and keep significant ownership, or you can invest early in promising companies. This requires strong research, understanding of markets, and sometimes high risk tolerance. Many startups fail, but one big success can change everything. Focus on industries with future potential such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, fintech, biotech, or digital infrastructure. Look for founders with vision and strong execution ability. Study business models carefully. Equity builds wealth quietly in the background. It might take years before the big breakthrough happens, but once the valuation explodes, wealth multiplies quickly. Patience and smart decision-making are essential here. Number 3. Master high-income skills and multiply them. Before you reach $100 million, you often need to build capital first. One of the fastest ways to build early capital is by mastering high-income skills. These are skills that companies and clients are willing to pay a lot of money for. Examples include advanced sales, digital marketing, coding, investment analysis, brand building, copywriting, and deal-making. If you become exceptional at one of these, you can earn 6 or 7 figures per year. But the key is not stopping there. Once you master the skill, you multiply it. You build an agency. You hire people. You create training programs. You license your knowledge. You turn your personal skill into a business model. This is where real scaling begins. For example, a person skilled in digital marketing can start by serving clients. Then they build a team. Then they create their own product. Then they invest profits into other businesses. Slowly, one skill becomes multiple income streams. High-income skills give you control. They allow you to create opportunities instead of waiting for them. When combined with smart investments and business ownership, they become a powerful stepping stone toward $100 million. Number 4. Strategic investing and asset accumulation. Many wealthy individuals reach massive net worth through strategic investing. This is not gambling. This is calculated, long-term asset accumulation. The focus is buying assets that increase in value or produce consistent cash flow. Real estate is a classic example. Buying commercial buildings, apartment complexes, or land in growing cities can generate rental income and appreciation over time. Stocks, private equity funds, and even acquiring small businesses can also create strong returns. The power of investing comes from compounding. If you invest $5 million and earn 20% annually, your capital grows rapidly over time. The more capital you accumulate, the faster it grows. Wealth starts to snowball. The key principles are diversification, risk management, and patience. Do not put all your money into one risky opportunity. Study financial markets. Learn how to read balance sheets and understand economic trends. Smart investors think in decades, not weeks. They protect downside risk while aiming for strong upside. Over time, consistent investing combined with business profits can push your net worth toward $100 million. Number 5. Create a powerful personal brand. In today's world, attention is currency. A strong personal brand can open doors to massive wealth opportunities. When people trust you and follow you, you can launch products, services, partnerships, and investments with much greater success. Building a personal brand means sharing knowledge, insights, and value consistently. Platforms like YouTube, podcasts, newsletters, and social media allow you to reach millions of people worldwide. As your audience grows, your influence grows. With influence comes opportunity. You can launch online courses, premium communities, consulting programs, books, or even your own companies. Brands also attract investors and strategic partners who want to work with you. The most important element is authenticity and value. Do not chase fame. Focus on solving real problems and educating your audience. Over time, your reputation becomes an asset. That asset can generate income in many different ways. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs today combine business ownership with personal branding. Their brand amplifies every venture they touch. When done correctly, your name itself becomes worth millions. Now you have the top 5 ways to create your first $100 million. Remember, there is no magic shortcut. Takes vision, discipline, smart risk-taking, and long-term thinking. Start with one strategy, master it, and then expand. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to Profitora Hub, like this video, share it with someone who dreams big, and comment below which strategy you are planning to focus on. Stay ambitious, stay focused, and we will see you in the next powerful video.